Need reliable dryer vent cleaning in Boynton Beach, Florida? We've got you covered. Clogged dryer vents are not just inconvenient, they're dangerous. Protect your home from potential fire hazards while saving energy and extending your dryer's life with professional vent cleaning services. Our team specializes in thorough dryer vent cleaning, ensuring optimal safety and efficiency for your home. Homeowners in Boynton Beach trust us for our expertise, dedication, and commitment to safety and satisfaction. Our process is simple. Call us at 561-894-0010 to schedule your dryer vent cleaning service today. Don't wait to make your home safer and more energy efficient. Call Dryer Vent Wizard at 561-894-0010 or visit dryerventwizard.com/location/Delray-Beach-Boynton-Beach to schedule your dryer vent cleaning today.